Q33 assembly instructions. Slingshot, light, leveling instruments, additional screw, and 2 little screws for the flashlight. 1 is an extra. And 2 rubber bands, 1 is an extra. So we start is we take the flashlight and we insert it into this end right here. Take the hex screw and we take the little screws. Just 1 is needed for this part, and we insert it right here into the top, right there, and just screw it on tightly. All right, that's done. Stable, stays in. The second part is simple. Take the lighting and the leveling instrument and you just insert it right through here, right in this little hole. And right to the end, just like that. We take the second part and we do the same exact thing, just on the other side. So that's how they fit in. Now, to get the rubber band in, it's fairly simple. What we do is we press these buttons right here, and what they do is they release the clip on the other side. Now what we're going to be able to do is once we press the button, this slides right in. All the way there, and now we tighten this like a clamp. Make sure the holes are aligning. Nice and tight, stays in there. You can see the screw is beating out. Here it's not yet because we haven't tightened it yet. And we do the exact same thing on the other side. Just press, insert, and tighten. That's it, nice and tight. Pull back, ready for use. The last thing you can do is just twist this knob right here to get the lighting in. Voila. That's it.